our knowledge base has got X amount of information, we forget that the average person doesn't really understand
So true.
what even it is we do,
Yeah.
how it is that it benefits them, and what to expect. Like, I started out as a deep tissue massage therapist, and I was real, I was like 23, white knuckle, give it all, I was a landscaper, I was strong.
Yeah.
It's just like basically everyone just copped a caning. And, just something as simple as saying to someone, look, you're going to be a bit sore for a couple of days. That's really normal, was something that was quite foreign to me initially.
Yeah.
And I was getting feedback, someone saying, I felt like I've been run over by a bus for 4 days. And, geez, or they'd ring me up going, am I supposed to be this sore?
Yeah.
and look, I mean, it's in the early days, I feel like we're quite purist,
Oh, yeah.
in our approach. And so I think I was a bit of a purist on that front. I don't necessarily believe in caning people anymore. I think it's really about trying to meet people where they are.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more.